Hello and welcome. You're with News Updates, and today I'm going to tell you about the Just Ask feature of SAP Analytics Cloud. So it has recently been released, the initial version is out, and I'll tell you more about the fine prints of this initial release and how can you access it, how can you enable it for your end users. So stay tuned to this video. The script languages to query data from database. This feature lets end users query it in simple English, which means it's a natural language query feature, obviously powered by artificial intelligence that has been infused in SAP Analytics Cloud. So this is one of the videos which you are seeing on the screen, which was released by SAP in August 2023. And then in SAP TechEd 2023, we saw another teaser. So now that we know what JustAsk feature is, let's get to the fine prints of this initial release. So the first one is it is only available on the tenants which are running in GCP or Microsoft Azure or AWS data centers. This initial version only supports SAP Analytics Cloud acquired data models. Feature so that end users can get the better experience. It is by default disabled. So how to enable this? It's a simple configuration. So you have to go into your settings and then to display options, where search to insights is by default selected under conversational analytics. You have to change it to JustAsk and save. So now that it's enabled, let's see how this feature can be accessed by end users. So it's very simple. You can go to the home page and then you have a search bar or a light icon which is very near to the search bar. Once you have entered your question, then you get the answers in analytical form, and there you can see what all filters have been applied, and you can also change it with different options in the analytical wizard, like you have been doing on any of the SAC stories. That's it then. If you found the video useful, please like it or share it with